Welcome to this presentation on Tega Industries Limited IPO. Tega Industries products cater to mineral beneficiation, mining, and bulk solid dealing sector. Beneficiation refers to treatment of raw material like any, say, iron ore to improve it by removing unwanted minerals or impurities and thus make it more high grade. Here is a quick look at IPO of Tega Industries. The IPO opens on December 1st and closes on December 3rd. Issue size is 619 crores. The issue is entirely an offer for sale. The PE investor TA Associates is completely exiting through this IPO, while the promoter's stake will come down to 79%. 35% of the issue is reserved for retail, and about 1.5 applications are required for one-time subscription of the retail quota. One can apply in a bid lot of 33 shares and multiples thereof. Tega Industries commenced operations in 1978 with a foreign collaboration, Swedish collaboration. Later, the promoters bought in the entire stake. Subsequently, Wagner, which is part of the TA Associates, took a stake in the company and has been in the company for about a decade. The company is a leading manufacturer and distributor of critical and specialized consumable products for global mineral beneficiation, mining, and bulk solid industries. It has a wide product portfolio of specialized abrasion and wear-resistant rubber, polyurethane, steel, ceramic-based lining components, which are used in different stages of mining and mineral processing to make the ore high grade, and like in processes like screening, grinding, material handling. Further, several consumables are used in this process, which are made by Tega Industries. Tega Industries has 6 manufacturing sites, which include 3 in India, at Dahej in Gujarat, which mostly caters to the export market, and 2 at Samali and Kalyani in West Bengal, and 3 in the major mining countries like Chile, South Africa, and Australia. Here is a bird's eye view of products of Tega Industries. It makes mill liners, Tega mill rubber components, seals, wear products. It makes products for railways like springs, neck glands, spring adapter, bogie anchor pad, etc. It makes screens and trommels. It makes hydrocyclone, conveyor products, piping system, pumping systems. So it has a wide variety. Tega Industries garnered about rupees 186 crore from anchor investors. Foreign anchor investors include Ashoka India Equity Fund, Goldman Sachs, and Elara India Opportunities Fund. Several reputed mutual funds like SBI, Axis, HDFC Mutual Fund, Mirae, Aditya Birla, they participated in the anchor. If we look at financials of the company has performed well, and its revenue has grown about 17% in FY21. EBITDA has also grown significantly, and profit after tax has taken a big jump in FY21. Its performance for the year 2021 is rather subdued. At the top end of price band, the company is valued about 22x of its FY21 earnings, which looks reasonable. PE investor in the company is exiting after staying in the company for about 10 years. Some salient points about the company. Company is basically the second largest producer of polymer-based mill liners as per revenues of June 30, 2021. It is in a oligopolistic situation. The company has been going for inorganic growth. It acquired Tega Industries Africa, acquired a company in Chile, also acquired a company in Perth, Australia, and had in the past received funding from Wagner, who is now making a complete exit. Company has a focus on end customers in mineral processing sites, mainly involved in gold and copper ore beneficiation, which account for 35% and 27% respectively of its sales for the last three fiscals. So together, gold and copper ore account for about 62% of the sales. It has a presence in about 500 sites in each of the years in 70 countries. Main concerns about the company relate to forex risk fluctuations, as the company exports most of its products, about 75%. For example, the company showed 16 crore forex loss in FY20, while it showed a 28 crore forex gain in FY21. So thus it is subject to wide fluctuations in forex gain, and its profitability can get affected or can show swings due to these. There are other risks of dependence on overseas markets because most of the countries like Chile and South Africa are geopolitically not very stable. The IPO is entirely an OFS. Company is not getting anything out of it, and the PE investor is exiting completely out of the company. Further, company's Q1 FY22 performance has been rather subdued. The reason given by the company is that you cannot compare on quarter, as most of the business comes in the last quarter. Tega is a leading producer of specialized and critical products for the mining industry. The mining industry is rather COVID-proof. It operates whether there is a pandemic or not. The industry has high barriers to replacement products, and generally once selected, those products are used. Further, Tega also makes a lot of consumables for these industries, so rather it caters to aftermarket spend, which provides it quite stable recurring revenue. Tega industry has high value addition in its products, and the products are technology intensive products. Tega has a strong R&D and focus on quality control, due to which they are able to innovate and offer new products. Tega industry is a player with a long standing in the market and has a very good customer base. It operates with high operational efficiency, has shown repeat business, and there is an experienced management team behind it. The high entry barriers in the mining industry, dependence on consumables makes it a non-cyclic, high growth business for Tega industry. Thus, it is likely to sustain its growth and margins in coming time. In fact, margins have expanded from 18% in FY19 to 24% in FY21. At the upper end of the price band of rupees 453, the offer is made at around 22 times the EPS of rupees 26 for the period ended March 31, 2021. Its other listed peer, AIA Engineering, trades at a PE of 31. Thus, Tega is priced reasonably. Also, on many other factors, Tega Industries compares favorably with its peer AIA Engineering. GMP last reported was about rupees 425. I intend to apply in Tega Industries IPO. Further, if there's any information, I will provide it on my website, but I don't expect to have any second thoughts on applying in this IPO. Thank you. Please read the disclaimer carefully.